Hi guys! So a couple weeks ago I asked you on Instagram what kinds of vegan meal ideas and recipes you would want to see once I was back from my little break on YouTube, and somebody said pumpkin cheesecake. And I'm not really much of a baker. I don't even have the proper springform pan that you typically use to make a cheesecake, but whatever, I'm just gonna make like a lazy girl cheesecake. And what I think I'm going to do is make two versions. So one that's like a really lazy girl version with pre-made or like store-bought vegan cream cheese, and then I think I'll do another version with cashews. Hey guys, Editing Jacqueline here, and just wanted to pop in here to say that cashew cheesecake is not happening. I tried my best to make one. I've never made anything with soaked cashews before, and it just did not turn out well. I have a pretty good blender, so I don't know why the texture was so weird. I didn't like the texture, I didn't like the taste, so yeah, no, I was like, I'm not gonna share this one. I'm just gonna share the really lazy girl cheesecake with you, the one made with the Trader Joe's vegan cream cheese, and that's it, so yeah. So I'm at Sprouts right now. I have to just get a couple of ingredients and then I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's. I thought I'd just bring you along, show you what I'm grabbing. Really only a couple ingredients, so yeah, let's get started. Really quickly before we get into today's video, I just want to give a shout out to @LaineyBird on Instagram. Thank you so much to Lainey Bird for trying out my vegan poke bowl recipe. Yours looks like it turned out amazing, and thank you so much for posting a picture and tagging me. If you would like a shout out in a future video, all you have to do is try out one of my recipes, take a picture, tag me in a post or story on Instagram, and that is it. Thanks again to Lainey, and let's get into today's video. Okay, so to get started, we're going to add vegan cream cheese, maple syrup, and lemon juice to a blender and blend until smooth. By the way, all exact measurements will be linked in the description below. Next, add pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice seasoning, coconut oil, and cornstarch, and blend again. Next, we're going to pour that mixture into a pre-made pie crust, smooth it out, and then place in the refrigerator uncovered for at least a day. I refrigerated mine for 2 days. Alright you guys, here is the finished vegan pumpkin cheesecake. It looks amazing. It's just been chilling in my fridge like this uncovered for about 2 days now, so I am going to slice and plate this up, show you what it looks like on the inside, and then give it a little taste test. Okay, it's time for the taste test. The crust kind of broke apart a little bit, but it's okay because I'm gonna eat it anyways. Oh, also I have some vegan whipped cream, of course. Let's taste this. That is so good. It's my happy dance. That is honestly so good. It turned out great, you guys. Overall, I really like this cheesecake. I would probably rate it a 7 or 8 out of 10. Only reason it's not a 10 out of 10 is because the cheesecake itself is pretty soft, and you could kind of see that when I was cutting it. It's not like a normal cheesecake where it's very thick and kind of firm and it holds its shape when you cut through it. But I mean, the taste is great, it's light, it's delicious, slightly tart, not overly sweet. I love it, and I think it'd be something great to make for Thanksgiving. One thing though, if you go the lazy route and you use a store-bought or a pre-made crust like I did, just beware the crust might kind of start to fall apart a little bit when you scoop it out of the pan. But other than that, I loved it, and I hope you guys will love it too. Let me know if you like this and if you would like to see more desserts from me. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not really much of a baker and I don't really make a lot of desserts, but if you want to see that, then I'll do it. I will leave the recipe for this Lazy Girl vegan pumpkin cheesecake in the description box below. Hope you guys loved it. If you try this out, be sure to take a picture and tag me on Instagram. Other than that, that is it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!